Hi friends, today we're making farmer's cheese cheesecake. This cheesecake is so much better than regular cheesecake and it's much healthier too. It's made from farmer's cheese and farmer's cheese is natural probiotic. Farmer's cheese is made from milk and kefir and it tastes so good. To make one, you'll need these ingredients: 3 cups of farmer's cheese, that's 500 grams. I'll put a link below on how to make one at home from milk and kefir or buy one at store. 1 cup of heavy whipped cream, half of a cup of sugar, 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half of a teaspoon of salt, and 4 eggs. Get 2 bowls and separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. Add 500 grams of farmer's cheese, that's about 3 cups, and we're adding that to the egg yolks. Blend the farmer's cheese with egg yolks with a food processor or hand blender. You want the batter to be very smooth so the cheesecake will be smooth also. Add half of a cup of sugar to the egg whites and add half of a teaspoon of salt. And start mixing until fluffy and white. I was mixing mine for about 5 minutes on high speed. You can kind of see the stiff peaks here. That's what you want. Add 1 cup of heavy whipped cream to the farmer's cheese batter. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And start mixing for a few minutes. The batter will get thicker and that's what we need. Add 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch and give it a quick mix until the cornstarch is mixed in with the rest of the batter. Add the egg whites batter and mix gently just until everything is mixed in. And I'll be adding freeze-dried strawberries, 2 cups. This is such a great combination with the farmer's cheese cheesecake. But you can be creative here and add raisins or any dry fruit you want. I wouldn't recommend to add fresh fruit, but dry fruit will be perfect. Here I have my 9-inch round tray with removable sides. And I lined the bottom of it with some parchment paper. Give it a good shake to make it all even and nice. Preheat your oven to 330 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 1 hour. I'll let it cool down a little, maybe 20 minutes, and then I'll go with the knife along the edges. That will loosen the edges. And then I'll remove the metal base, but I'll keep the parchment paper. And I'm hiding the parchment paper with the knife to make it look pretty. This cheesecake is served cold, so let it cool down in refrigerator for about 1.5 hours. But really it's up to you. You can eat it warm or at room temperature, but I prefer it cold. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do that for more yummy recipes coming soon. Bye! I'll see you next time!